Hey everybody, it's the fourth. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy today's video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use these that I picked up from Dollar Tree. These are lovely, okay? Grill mates, yes. I have some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use some lemons, okay? And I'm going to also add in some oil. I'm going to use lemon pepper and onion powder, of course. Go ahead and use your measurements, okay? Soy sauce, of course. And yeah, let's go ahead and start adding in the ingredients for the marinade, okay? Yes, because yes, I just find when you marinate your meats, okay, they just come out so lovely. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put in some soy sauce, okay? Just go ahead and add that wet liquid. I'm going to go ahead and also add some chopped garlic. Now, if you want to use whole or fresh, that's fine. And you can just go ahead and mince it up yourself if that's what you like. But I'm just going to go ahead and use that. I'm going to also add in some onion powder to the mix, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and, put in a little bit more ingredients too as well, It's just to give it some more flavor. So I'm going to add in some lemon pepper as you see there. Yes, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little swirl. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. And since I have 2 packs, of course, I'm going to be, using measurements for each one. Okay, so I'm going to combine them. I'm not going to worry about making the ingredients, separately. I'm just going to go ahead and mix them all together in my little handy dandy, Betty Crocker bowl. Okay, so that's all I'm doing there. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of them to the side because I'm going to add in more later on to the bowl. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and measure out, okay, about, what is this, a tablespoon, okay, of more apple cider vinegar. Okay, so like I said, it's going to be double, okay, whatever the pack calls for, because I have 2 packets. Okay, so yes, I'm just trying to get as much flavor inside of the meat as possible so that they'll like it, because I'm not going to eat any of that selection of meat, but that's okay. And they're going to enjoy it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing the mix up, okay, the marinade, okay, to be exact. I'm just going to go ahead and give it, beat it a little bit, give it a little swirl, so all the flavors can, come together, to one. And that's the consistency of it. It's kind of pasty and thick a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and finish adding up the mixture, okay, so that it could be just right for the meat. Okay, so just keep watching. Okay, so this is what I come up with. As you see, after I added the vegetable oil, it's kind of, like that, but only because I need to go ahead and finish adding in the rest of the ingredients. Now, of course, I'm going to just squeeze in a little lemon, okay, because it's nothing like good flavor on your meat, okay? Yes. So I'm just going to go ahead and give that get that seed out of there, and I'm just going to keep, adding in the flavors and keep, whipping it up, okay, till we get the right consistency. Okay, so right now it just looks like it's not, the oil is separating from the blend, but that's okay because more ingredient is needed from the marinade. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do so. Pour the rest in and you'll see that it comes all together. So these packages are so worth it. Okay, they are. And it just makes things a little bit more easier. It saves time and they're so worth it. I picked them up at Dollar Tree. They were only $1.25. So that's $2.50. So can't go wrong with that. So enjoy as I continue on. Okay, so now these would be baby backs. Okay, like I stated before, I'm not going to enjoy any of these, this particular meat selection, but I'm just going to go ahead and whip this up for the rest of the tribe because, they like this type of meat, but I'm going to go ahead and make it as flavorful as possible. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and top on the marinade. Okay. Yes, that's all I'm doing here. So enjoy as I do that. Okay, so getting every piece of the rib, okay, is what I'm trying to do. And yeah, I'm gonna, of course, I think I'm gonna just pour all of it on, okay? And yeah, I'm just gonna make sure that all of the flavor, all of the seasonings, everything is hitting every little piece of the meat, okay, so that it will be flavorful. Okay, it just has to be, everything, all the ingredients are inside of there and it can't go wrong. You can't go wrong, right? So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to make sure that, of course, that I go ahead and get some foil and seal it up. But if you take a look, that all of the marinade is on the meat. Okay, so I just thought that I would give a little flash just so you can see that it's really, really covered. Okay, and it does give you enough. Okay, so make no mistake about that. That's perfect. So like I said, now let's go ahead and look at the noodles while the meat is over there sitting, just getting all of the extra marinade. So I'm just going to make some macaroni salad. Simple. Boil some noodles, okay, put them in a colander, let the water drain off, and yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and here are the ingredients. Okay, I'm keeping it simple. A little mayo, okay, real mayonnaise, Worcestershire sauce, relish, onion powder, pepper. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and throw it all in and whip it on up. So enjoy as I do that. I was like, why am I using this regular little handheld can opener when I forgot I already have one that I purchased from Walmart, electric one. Okay, so yeah, I was getting myself. I was like, what are you doing? Okay, so yes, we're just gonna go ahead and put the beans inside. Okay, some people just like to keep it simple, but I just want to go ahead and add a little bit more ingredient, okay, inside of my beans. It's like, why not? Okay, just to give it a little bit more flavor. Mwah, okay, it just make it just so good. So let's go ahead and put these in. Ketchup, sweet and sour sauce, okay, some everyday, original barbecue sauce, Worcestershire. Why did I just say Worcestershire? No, that is not Worcestershire. That was sriracha, okay, which I'm pouring in right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some barbecue sauce, okay, and of course I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze in some mustard. So watch as I go ahead and blend all of it up and enjoy as I do that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and give my beans, a nice layer. Okay, put some foil on top and just, bake it off. Okay, so here's the macaroni salad. Now you can put as much mayo in as you want if you want yours extra wet, but I don't like to use too much mayo, so yeah, that's the consistency of it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my Pyrex pan, okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a lid over it and put it in the refrigerator. So enjoy as I do that. Yes, slow motion, right about now, okay? And this is what it's looking like down yonder. It's in that old bone. It's in that old bone, okay? And I came off the grill, now it's in that old bone, okay? Slow motion with it, okay? Yes. Okay, these are just some of the fruits that I enjoy, so I hope you enjoy them too as well. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.